Children from the South West School have been taking a journey back half a century to experience the Second World War for themselves. John Manell travelled in time to join them.
Living history. 1100 hours Plymouth, the air raid siren sounds over Hyde Park School, the top form 1995. 30 seconds to turn back the clock and reach the air raid shelter not used for 50 years. It's sunny outside, but it'll be an afternoon underground. 10 and 11-year-olds experiencing the everyday reality of the world at war. It may be cold and wet, but there's no escaping the lessons.
It's very scary, and I wouldn't have liked to be down here when the sirens went off. It's very cold and damp. It's a bit smelly as well.
The planes are coming over and dropping bombs everywhere and just blowing everything up.
I think it was very terrifying and I didn't like it.
Don't you like it at all? For most of them, it's all history. But for one today, it was a trip down memory lane. Joyce Clarkson was an 8-year-old pupil here the day war broke out.
Did you get fed up of going into air raid shelters and hearing the air raid siren?
You know, the frightening feeling probably you've all had sometime, or that horrible feeling goes right down in your stomach, you know, every time it goes. But you then, after that initial, because we got so used to it in 6 years, that we just then went to the nearest shelter.
It was war for real then. Today it was make-believe, but an experience which brought history to life.
There's a silver lining through the dark clouds shining. Turn the dark clouds inside out till the boys come home.
Blackout. And safe from the elements in those, weren't you? And in all seriousness, some memories just for you?
Yeah, Russell, my earliest memory is going into an air raid shelter just like that in Portland Square in Plymouth. I was about 3 or 4, and I remember the slats on the seat. And I went back to do a radio broadcast for Radio Devon there a few years ago when they opened one up. And the thing that hit me first of all was the smell, that musty smell. Took me right back those 50 years. But as Russell said, at least it's dry inside there, and it's a bit blustery still outside. In fact, we've got a showery northwesterly airstream.